Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are here for pre-market report 3rd August. Let's see what's going to happen. Expiry day for Bank Nifty. Whether will the crash continue or not? Let's see. So global influencers, there are global positive influencers are today too, and negative influencers are 6. So today, why exactly we are seeing so much negative influencers? Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. After straight 5 months, they are showing negative now. Why? Because there is US credit rating release was there on Tuesday. That credit rating release has downgraded the credit flow or cash flow to the US, that is from AAA to AA plus. Let's have a look on the next slide about this in detail. That has made the index, US index, completely to fall. That is prime evident for the market to fall. So, and what is that positive? Crude oil is positive, and gift nifty is slightly positive. It's trading between positive and negative. So gold is positive, which is eventually they put negative nifty into negative, and Dow Jones is negative. Will this credit rating, which is separate to the US, will it really impact on Indian market on this negative credit rating? It's still a big question mark. If it is going to impact, how far? Because credit flow has to happen to India from US. There are many companies are dependent upon US dollars, everything money. So will it impact big time or small time or medium time? That's our question mark, right? So let's have that view. So Nasdaq and S&P 500 again on the negative. Nikkei minus 463 again, which is pushing Nifty to be negative. USD INR is positive, that is again pushing negative. So total overall, it is pushing. That's why it is happening like this. And Nifty previous day closed 19,526 and key resistance 19,715, key support at 19,337. Bank Nifty 44,995, key previous day close. Bank Nifty key resistance 45,566, key support 44,424. Yesterday, most of the things were negative yesterday. Like all the index were negative. Is it because of US credit rating? Not really, because price has to get corrected. We were waiting that channel bottom to meet. That has done. So there is nothing to do with credit rating. This news and market inclination, it might be a coincidence, but not an exact. Okay, because of this it's falling, not like that. It's the regular process market is doing up or out of that. Nifty credit rating or US credit rating has released. It's a coincidence. Okay, let's not correlate that. Let's see on the chart view. Before going to chart view, US credit rating downgraded to AA plus. What is the meaning to US? US stock market, Wall Street ends down. Investors step back after Fitch, that is Fitch is a credit agency or credit rating agency, has cut the rating cut. Fitch downgraded the United States to AA plus from AA late on Tuesday, citing expected fiscal deterioration over the next 3 years as well as growing government debt. As the government debt ceiling, all this, we were seeing that crisis with being together, all these things. Next 3 years is still finding a difficult or challenge in terms of credit free flow. That is the meaning. So Fitch was the second major agency to cut the country's rating. In 2011, S&P, that is Standard and Poor's, stripped the country of a AAA grade. In 2011, S&P has given a triple grade. Now Fitch has reduced in 2023. So reaction to the news pushed major indexes lower, with the S&P 500 recording its biggest daily percentage drop since April 25th. April 25th was the biggest drop, and after this is the next biggest drop after a big movement, or after this US credit rating downgraded. So just a quick view on this. Triple A means prime A. That means they have free cash flow, free cash flow, everything is in place. High A means high grade. A upper medium grade. BB means lower medium grade. BB non-investment grade speculative. B high speculative. CC extremely speculative and in default. So CC and the triple C and CC, they might not get free credit at all because of the default and extremely speculative, not sure about their everything. So that situation will come in. Now US is in triple A to AA plus high grade. Okay, it is just downgrade, but still it's a negative impact to the US government, right? So that's why market is falling significantly. So keeping aside this US news, but still look at this channel to, it is in the middle of the channel. It has to test the support, right? So that's why it is coming. It doesn't mean that because of news it's falling. Nothing, let us not relate the news here. Let us understand the technicals. Focus on understanding the technicals. Then you will get more knowledge. So why don't we think that it will correct here? Point number one. And it is starts with some price action, or it might try to break this and then again bounce back. There is a possibility, right? Don't fear or don't feel a exit. Oh, I'm going to exit because market is going to fall. If it has to fall, it will make a proper chart pattern, which is making and will wait. It will not happen overnight. Falling also will not happen overnight. Fine, agree. But just wait and watch for a proper fall or proper market fear to get a big correction. In Nifty, if it falls also, it will bounce back. In a flick of a moment, it will bounce back. Don't worry. Bank Nifty, it is trying to break this support, but it is going to make a double bottom here now. Possibility to make a double bottom to bounce back. So it might start with gap down today and then might later in the days it might go up. That's what the looking after the scenario. Let's wait what's going to happen. So 3rd August, S&P Global Services PMI and S&P Global Composite PMI results are there today. And next result is on tomorrow, that is Forex results. So this week results, Adani Enterprises, what to expect, YoY and QoQ to be expected. Adani Power, again on the YoY and QoQ to be expected to growth. That is, it has to beat 5242 to both QoQ and YoY. And Dabur, this time it has to go beyond 293. Then only Dabur can make really a good number. Otherwise, there is a good or struggling point here. Eicher Motors, again, it has to make a bigger number. That bigger number than this 906, then it will go up. Lupin, we are expecting a big time because last year June was lesser reduced, and this time we are definitely expecting a profit. It might make a higher highs. And MRF also we are expecting beyond 341, and Sun Pharma also we're expecting this beyond 1983. If it goes, then we will be making YoY and QoQ to be seen in a largely upper wise. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.